Okay. It's on. It's on. I look a mess. No, but welcome back to the Holly Serpent Garden. Many blessings to you all. I just took the last ripe fig, second fig that I was able to eat off the tree, and this is what it looks like. Still has new ones, but that's not. That's gonna. Those aren't gonna ripen. It's already snowed. These are the peppers that I had left. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this out. Toothache plant is done, of course. And these are, I believe these are Georgia collards. And they super survived the snow. It was covered, but it melted the next morning. These are beets and carrots still, but I'm breaking stuff. I think I broke one off. Yeah. We'll see. I'm not sure when we're supposed to get more snow, but this is what's left, and you have something still trying to come up. My celery's still good. Celery's still good. And then I have some celery trying to come up right there. But my Brussels sprouts it's laying there and it's still in the ground. But remember, it's been eaten all the way up. And it was starting to give me some Brussels sprouts. We'll see. I'm going to leave it. Because this one is still trying, maybe? So we'll see. It is cold. I'm out here doing my chores. But it's cold. It is cold. The mint is still, trying to pop up. And a wild spinach, I believe this is. But yeah. The mint is trying to come back. There's chocolate and orange. So yeah. The cherry tree, as you can see, lost all the leaves. I'm gonna get this corn and put it up. And everything else is leaves. Yeah. I just dumped some of the composted chicken manure right there for overwinter. And these are strawberries. Not sure. Well, I know they're not gonna give out anything else. This is oregano and fennel and the mess. Weeds and jalapeno pepper. So yeah, I'm out here doing chores after the winter just to see what made it and what didn't. And I'm going to show you guys the Swiss chard really quick. And I believe it was mustard greens. So my children gave a lot of the Swiss chard to the hens, but if you can see right here, it got a little burned, but it's still doing good even after the winter. And the children tore up the kale, giving it to the hens, but I'm sure it won't come back, but I'm gonna leave it just in case it does. But it's cold, and this is the first season we're actually seeing what'll stay in regards to what I already have out here. So let's just check the mustard greens, and then I'm out of here. But actually, these are the peas. I'm not sure the variety, but these weren't even covered, and they made it. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's some kind of greenery here, but it's definitely getting eaten up. So we'll see. And these are the mustard greens. A little burn on the end here, but these look good. This is my camera stand I had with this covering it. So it's still that tomato. I don't know why I left it, but I did. But these are the mustard greens. Let me see, is this broken? Yeah. I'm gonna take this one, give it to the hens also. Well, yeah, they look beautiful. I'm gonna take some. Well, I might take all tomorrow and see. We'll see. We'll see. But I wanted to come on really quick to show you guys what made it through that slight snow and what didn't. And I'll actually give you a little peek at the greenhouse and what's in it. It's nice and warm. It is nice and warm in here. Oh, it's beautiful. So those are the Asian pear cuttings, and they're basic. They definitely are making it. I'm so glad. This is the chili pepper. I need to get some off. This is the serrano. Then I need to get that one off. And lemon. No, wait. That's the Valencia orange. Yeah, that's the Valencia orange. This is the I don't know. Cayenne pepper. That right here is the key lime, I believe. And then we have shishito pepper, which it actually looks like I have some on there. I'm going to get those. So shishito pepper and jalapeno. Yeah, jalapeno gigante. And the flying dragon. So yeah. The parsley and rosemary and everything. I'm going to get what I can off of that, plus that sage right there, so I can use it. So my neighbor's dog is barking. He said to shut up. So, and this is the flying dragon that I'm keeping outside to see how it does outside. I have one outside, one inside, so I can see how they actually do in the full-blown weather out here. So, yes. So that's what we have here on the Hollis Urban Garden. So that's all I want to show you guys today. It's cold. I'm gonna finish my chores and get back in the house. So like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, grow. Many blessings. Hi guys. Hi. Look at you. You're so big. That's not a rooster. It definitely looks like it, but we were winging it. We're like, is that a rooster? It's not. We'd have been in so much trouble. Many blessings.